inside a 2-column module. So to add the image, we don't need the form here. So add the image, go there, image, call this one for instance like featured image. Okay, so you have a featured image, you browse the image. Okay, image, you get, you select your image there, and then you're gonna come here. You have copy snippet. For the image, you do copy snippet. So once you copy the snippet, you come. So let's say replace this content. We don't need this one here. Paste. It looks like this. So you can see like if image exists, then show the image. And then here we have size attribute, we have auto size, we have size type, we have size attribute, we have the loading, list loading settings, we publish changes. So now let's go test. Okay, so as you can see, we have our image there. So yeah, so this is the way that you add your image. As you can see, it's full text, 2 columns there.